What if I told you Ethereum just experienced its biggest upgrade since the merge? In the last 24 hours, ETH has exploded over 20% to $2,360, while Bitcoin smashed through the $100K barrier. This isn't just another day in crypto. We're witnessing a historic market shift that's liquidated nearly $730 million in shorts. Let's break down what's happening and what it means for your portfolio. What's up, Moonward family? Alex here with your Crypto Pulse Flash Update for May 10th, 2025. If you're new here, we deliver these concentrated 6-minute market insights twice daily to keep you ahead of the crowd. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you never miss these critical market moves. Today, we're covering Ethereum's explosive post-Pectra upgrade surge, Bitcoin solidifying above the $100K psychological barrier, and the extraordinary sector performances reshaping the crypto landscape. Let's start with the big picture. Bitcoin has broken through $100K and is currently trading at $103,147, up 0.6% in the last 24 hours. But the real story is Ethereum, skyrocketing over 20% to $2,340 following its successful Pectra upgrade. We're seeing extraordinary sector performance with social FI exploding 61%. Yes, you heard that right. 61% in a single day. Memecoins aren't far behind with a 40% surge, while AI agents and data sectors are both up over 23%. The overall market cap now stands at $3.1 trillion with Bitcoin dominance at 64.7%, and Ethereum reaching its highest dominance since April at 8.8%. So what exactly happened with Ethereum's Pectra upgrade? This is arguably Ethereum's most significant enhancement since the merge, implementing a record 11 Ethereum Improvement Proposals in a single upgrade. The two game changers here are, first, EIP 7702 introduces smart accounts, allowing wallets to function like smart contracts. This means pay transaction fees in any token, not just ETH, batch multiple transactions together, implement programmable security features, create recovery mechanisms without seed phrases. Second, EIP 7251 increases validator capacity from 32 ETH to a massive 2,048 ETH. That's a 64x increase. It also reduces activation time from 12 hours to just 13 minutes, dramatically improving institutional staking efficiency. The market's reaction speaks for itself. ETH has turned deflationary again with its dominance reaching 8.8%, the highest since April. Beyond the major assets, we're seeing extraordinary sector movements. Social FI has emerged as today's absolute stunner, surging an unprecedented 61.1% in 24 hours. This explosion coincides with growing adoption of AI-integrated social platforms and creator monetization features. The Memecoin sector is experiencing a renaissance with MOODENG, leading the charge at plus 100%. Yes, doubling in value in just 24 hours. PNUT and PURPE follow closely behind with gains exceeding 48% and 57% respectively. What's particularly interesting is the short liquidation data. Nearly $730 million in short positions have been wiped out in the last 24 hours, with ETH funding rates reaching extremely bullish territory at plus 0.0084. There are three critical developments you need to know about. First, Ethereum's Pectra upgrade has totally transformed ETH's prospects by enabling smart accounts, increasing validator caps to 2,048 ETH, and doubling L2 throughput. Second, Memecoin activity has exploded with MOODENG up 100%, PNUT up 48%, and PURPE up 57%, driving the sector up over 40% in just 24 hours. And third, Coinbase has acquired Deribit for $2.9 billion. Positioning itself as the dominant crypto derivatives platform by open interest and options volume, despite reporting disappointing Q1 earnings. So what does this all mean for your strategy going forward? With the ETH-BTC ratio recovering to 0.023 and altcoins showing extraordinary strength, we're clearly seeing rotation from Bitcoin to altcoins. The key question now, is this the beginning of a sustained alt season, or will profit-taking emerge after this explosive move? Here's what I'm watching. ETH's continued momentum as developers implement the new smart account features, continued growth in the social FI sector as it benefits from improved Ethereum infrastructure, Bitcoin's stability above the $100K psychological barrier, The impact of next week's Whitebit $1.16 billion token unlock on May 13th. That wraps up today's Crypto Pulse Flash update. Remember, in markets like these, information is your edge. We'll be back in 12 hours with our next update to keep you ahead of these extraordinary market moves. If you found value in this update, smash that like button and drop a comment with your thoughts on Ethereum's revolutionary upgrade and the social fee explosion. Is this sustainable growth, or are you taking profits? This is Alex with Moonward Capital, helping you navigate the waves of crypto. Until next time.